I hope you will not forget us and thank you also for being a good teacher to us. I understand that you will discipline us sometimes because it's your obligation. But thank you for loving us. Again, I'd like to say thank you. I love you and goodbye. I hope you enjoy our room. I wish you will not forget us from Ibani. Ma'am Ann, salamat sa imong pagsuporta namo, Ma'am Ann. Ug daghang salamat, Ma'am. From Elboy.
Name first, name first.
From Kevin, Ma'am. Parmis, Ma'am. Parmis, Ma'am. Thank ko. Pababadlong ni mo, Ma'am. Sorry, Ma'am. Hindi lang po pabadlong. From Ivan, salamat sa tanan na imong effort nga mutudlo na mo bisan tuod nga badlungon kayo, Ma'am. Pero kung nga magpasalamat imo, Ma'am, good luck sa imong pagganap na maestra. I love you, Ma'am, from Harrison. From Janet and Not, Ma'am, nagpapasalamat sa pagtudlo namo. From Charlo Matayos, thank you, Ma'am, for teaching and loving us. From James Fuentes, thanks for teaching us and give a beautiful, loving teacher. From Jamaica, my teacher, my hero, thank you for your love. Hi, Ma'am, kagwapa ni mo, Ma'am.